Ninth class, now here we will talk about another use of the radioactive isotope, that is tracer for the diagnosis and the medicine. So class, if we just talking about the radioactive isotopes, so radioactive isotopes are actually act as a tracer. Now the question is that how the radioactive isotope act as a tracer. Now class, here we will quote the two examples that in which cases the radioactive isotopes act as a tracer. So here this is the first one. Radioisotopes are used to trace the leakage in the pipelines. For example, the iridium 192 radioactive isotope is actually utilized to indicate or locate the leakage within the pipeline. Now here the iridium 192 is actually utilized for tracing the leakage within the pipeline. So that's why the iridium 192 radioactive isotope act as a tracer to locate the leakage within the pipeline. Now here we will discuss about the second example. The cancerous part of the body is also located by the isotope. Now class, here the technique is used to locate the cancerous cell within the body is known as PET scan. Now class, PET scan is actually the diagnostic technique by which we can locate the cancerous cell within the body in any part of the body. Now class, in that technique, the nuclear medicine, you can say the dyes are used that are further tagged with the radioactive isotopes like the fluorine 18. Now class, these nuclear medicines or these dyes that further tagged with the radioactive isotopes are inserted, or you can say injected through the injections. Now class, now these medicines actually locate the presence of the cancerous cell in different part of the body. Now class, here we will talk about the goiter. Now class, goiter is the condition in which the enlargement of the thyroid gland takes place. Class, thyroid gland is actually the most important gland present within the neck region of our body. Now class, that thyroid gland actually control different type of or perform different type of the functions within our body. Now class, iodine is necessary for the proper working of the thyroid gland. Now class, when there will be the deficiency of the iodine takes place, now in that condition the thyroid gland cannot work properly, and in that condition there will be the enlargement of the thyroid gland takes place. Just look at this, here the thyroid gland enlarges, and due to the enlargement of the thyroid gland the neck region swells. Now class, to treat the goiter, we will use another radioactive isotope that is known as iodine 131. Now class, when the patient intake the iodine 131, so here that iodine 131 radioactive isotope is used to cure the goiter.